Hey people, welcome to SketchUp Pro tutorial episode 1. The course is for beginners or mid-level designers. SketchUp is one of the simplest designing software in the market. It is used by many designers, engineers, architects, and so on. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's begin. When you open the SketchUp Pro, the Welcome SketchUp window will pop up. Here you will find the systems of dimensions, or you can say templates. These are recent documents. It may remain empty if you are a beginner. This is your learning part. Some small tutorials are there. Check it out. For that you need internet connection. If I select meter now, the SketchUp is in now meter. This is some fancy object. Don't worry about that. To the left top corner you will find the menu bar, file, edit, view, camera, draw, tools, and you will get to know with the tutorial. And this is your properties bar, or you can say entity info, and this is your material bar where you can customize your materials, and this is where you need to type your measurements. If you see, when you move your mouse to any of this, it will show the meaning of the icon. So first you select any object. If you select that, it will help you to select the object. Second is the eraser. If I select that and left click over that, it will get deleted. And then there comes the pencil. Before that you need to learn one thing. The blue line is y-axis, the red is x-axis, and the green one is z-axis. So in SketchUp you can draw in any of the three axes. If I select now the line command and left click to start, if the line is in blue color, then in the y-axis, and again if it's red color, then it is in x-axis. Similar to that, if it is in green color, it is in z-axis. So we can draw in any axis you want, and the commands are same. Like if you click the left click of your mouse, it will start the command, and again when you click the left click, it will end the command. So that's how you use the pencil command or line command. Here you have the freehand command. Here you can if you drag your mouse by clicking the left click of your mouse, you can actually scramble in the sheet, and it will take some odd view like now it has taken. Okay, the fourth one is for arc. Again it has many options. If you click the arrow button, like simple arc, 2-point arc, 3-point arc, then you have pi. I will show you one only now. So that's how you can draw an arc. You might be thinking how I am navigating in the software. To do that, if you scroll up your middle button of your mouse, you can actually zoom, and again if you scroll down, it will zoom out. And to pan over the drawing, if you click H in your keyboard, then a hand will appear, or you can navigate it from here also. If you click that, you can pan over the drawing sheet, and to rotate you need to hold the scroll button and move your mouse. So that's how you navigate in the software. And this is your rectangle. You will find many tools here like circle, polygon, rotated rectangle. If I draw a rectangle now, say I am drawing in the Z-axis. So that's how it looks. Okay, now play along with these tools and get used to it, and let's meet in the next tutorial.